Welcome back everyone to a brand new cryptocurrency video, and today we're going to be taking a look at Ethereum Classic and look at the technical analysis and predict where the price is going to go. Now, taking a look at Ethereum Classic, we can actually see that over the past few weeks, Ethereum Classic has had a pretty good rally to the upside, coming all the way up from around $23 up to around $37. Now, because the overall markets have been performing poorly over the past 2 weeks or so, Ethereum Classic has expectedly dropped with the rest of the market, going from around $37 back down where we sit right now at around $26. And now the question we are asking ourselves is, are we going to find support here, or are we going to keep going lower and then maybe come down to this $23 price range again and see if we can find support? So to determine this, guys, the first thing we need to look at is our Fibonacci retracement tool. We bring out our Fibonacci retracement tool and draw it from the bottom to the top. We can actually see that we just broke through our golden pocket ratio, which is not a good sign for Ethereum Classic. So as you guys can see, if we come over here to the 1 hourly candles, make it a little bigger, you guys can see that we actually tried to get 2 little bounces out of this ratio and we failed. So we came down, tried to get a bounce, didn't get it, came down, tried to get another bounce, didn't get it, and then now we are breaking down through. So this is not looking good for Ethereum Classic. That is not what we want to see. This golden pocket ratio was a good hope that we could get a bounce back up into this $30 price range, but we did fail the breakout. So now what's next? Well, next thing we have to be looking at is our 0.786 level. This is our next support level with the Fibonacci retracement tool, and this is where I'm expecting us to find our next support. Let's go over here to the 4 hourly candles. So as you guys can see, we actually did find some support back on January 30th at this level. So we came down here, got a bounce, and this is what actually started our rally to the upside. So this is where I'm eyeing. This is where I'm expecting us to see a bounce or some sort of price action that could bring us out of this downtrend and maybe get us back up into this $30 territory that we want to see it out. So right now, guys, it is really important that we are keeping an eye on this level, hopefully coming down, getting a bounce, and then coming back up into this $30 territory. Now, if we do fail to support at this level, that is when things are going to get pretty bad for Ethereum Classic. Our next support, if we break through this line, is down here at around $23, which is not where we want to see the price of Ethereum Classic. So it's really important that we hold this line and hopefully get a bounce. Really quick, guys, before I continue, make sure you guys are following me over on Twitter at MarkCryptoNFT. This is where I'll be giving you guys live price updates on Ethereum Classic, as well as other coins and just the entire cryptocurrency market in general. So make sure you guys are following me over there at MarkCryptoNFT. The link will be in the description. Now, coming back over to the charts, it is now time to look at our Lux Algo buying and selling indicators. So if we come over here and we turn on our Lux Algo buying and selling indicators, you guys can see that on the 4 hourly charts, we are actually on a sell indicator. And we've been on a sell indicator for, the past 10 days now. And if we come over here and look at the daily charts, we can see that we have had a strong sell indicator for the past 5 or 6 days. So it is not looking good for Ethereum Classic. We did get a nice buy indicator during this little rally we had up to $37, which gave us good hope. But unfortunately, that did just flip to a strong sell indicator. And right now, guys, I do expect if we do get another buy indicator, it will be down here at this $24 range. This is where we come down, get a bounce off here, and then we'll get a buy coming in right here. And on the 4 hourly charts, that's also where I expect us to get a buy signal. It makes sense that we get a bounce here and get another buy signal. So that is where I would potentially be going long on Ethereum Classic if we actually did see a bounce right here. But other than that, guys, the most important thing that we are taking a look at is just the overall markets and Bitcoin and Ethereum. If Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to perform poorly, Ethereum Classic is expected to follow suit. And if Bitcoin and Ethereum keep going down, then this $24 range is where we need to be looking at. But if Bitcoin and Ethereum are able to, get a rally to the upside and turn around, and the overall markets just turn around, expect Ethereum Classic to follow and get back up into that $30 price range. So right now, it's kind of just a waiting game and just looking at the overall markets and hoping that they start to turn around a little bit. But that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and keep an eye on this $24 price range. This is where we are hopefully going to be finding support, so really do keep an eye on that. And with that, guys, I will see you all in the next video.